everyone, and welcome to week 6. Let's go over this week's learning activities. In this section, we will look at some applications of the derivative by focusing on the interpretation of the derivative as the rate of change of a function. We will focus on many applications found in physics, biology, and/or economics, such as acceleration, velocity, population growth rates, and marginal functions. Listed here, you will also see the additional learning objectives that will be covered this week. What is due this week? You'll read Chapters 3, Sections 3.4 through 3.6, and also 3.8 in our textbook. In our Week 6 discussion forum this week, you'll be defining the average rate of change, different quotient and derivative, which we discussed in our Week 5 readings, and providing a real-life example of each. Make sure that you include some keywords used to identify when we use each measure of change. Don't forget that you need to post at least 2 peer responses that are due by the end of the week. In addition to the discussion forum this week, you will have 2 assignments to complete. The first assignment is the practice assignment, which will not be graded, but it's necessary for you to complete in order to understand the material. You will be completing all the participation activities found in each section. Specific directions to this can be found under the practice assignment in week 6. The second assignment will be for you to complete the challenge activities, which will be graded. You can find these in each section of your reading for this week. Specific directions to this can be found under the challenge activity directions under week 6. Let's get started with week 6.